pudding.
Okay, show me the stuff. Ah, that's the bowl.
No, it's chocolate.
Oh, okay. Oh. Maybe you shouldn't turn it over. Turn it back over. There, okay. You put it in there? Okay, now put it back in the refrigerator.
You mean the freezer?
Yeah. Did you clean up your mess?
Yes.
Let me see. Where's the stuff that you used?
It's already in the pudding.
Well, what about the dishwasher?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Okay, here we go. Only do that.
Let me see.
Look, there's chocolate custard right there.
Well, let's see.
Some people call it chocolate custard.
Oh, they do.
Same thing.
Same thing. Okay. Is it good?
See?
See. Okay. All right. Thank you. Say bye.
Bye.